Hello my dear students. Today we are going to learn past simple tense. Let's get started then. So, past simple tense, it's actions happened in the past. So the formula is subject plus a verb to or ed. This is positive formula and example is I went to school yesterday. So what is actually here went? This is a verb to. What is verb to actually? So we have irregular verbs. It's verb 1, verb 2 and verb 3. For the past simple we always use the second form, verb 2. So past simple here. So this is the go and the second form is went. I went to school yesterday. Do or did. So we have to use the second form. So apart from irregular verbs, we have regular verbs. We have to put ed here for the verbs or d itself. For example, play plus ed, it would be played in order to make it verb 2. So or want, wanted. And the question is here, why and when we put d? When the verb ends with the letter e, that time we put d. For example, receive. As you see, so the verb ends here with e. That's why we cannot put ed, we have to put d. That's why the verb to form would be received. Receive it, just d. So when it comes to the question form, did plus subject plus verb 1. Did here auxiliary verb, subject and main verb. If you pay attention to here, verb 2 changed to verb 1. It's mainly because of did. Because the auxiliary verb did here stays as verb 2. That's why main verb changed to verb 1. So for example, did you go to school yesterday? If you paid attention to here, I went to school. I went to school. This is verb 2. And the question form, did you go to school? So go verb 1 here because of did. So when it comes to the negative form, so the formula would be subject plus did not. And again, verb 1 here because of did. Example for this, I didn't go to school yesterday. So we put didn't, that's why here verb 1, go, didn't go to school yesterday. So when it's positive sentences, we always use verb 2, the second form. When it comes as a question or as a negative form, so verb 2 changes to verb 1. And when we use past simple, when the actions happen in the past, and there are some keywords that shows that it's past simple. For example, yesterday, the day before yesterday, last day, last week, last month, and last year, and also in plus years. For example, in 1999. So it shows it happened in the past. And the last one is just now. This is all for past simple.